Hey, what's up everyone, and thank you for checking out ATW Travels and joining us on our first ever Carnival Jubilee or Excel class cruise. This sailing was a 7-day cruise to Cozumel and Costa in Mexico, and then on to Mahogany Bay, Roatan, Honduras. We had a great time on this beautiful ship, and we were there during Super Bowl, Mardi Gras, and Valentine's Day, so there was definitely a lot of fun going on.
It's cruise day!
Yes. We are at the cruise terminal about to board the Jubilee.
So excited.
All right, we are boarding our zone.
We're so excited.
And there's a lot of people in the terminal, but they have it pretty organized. And even though there were about 6,000 people boarding the ship, which was the most people we had seen boarding, they were pretty organized in that they had different groups, and based on your time slot, you had a boarding zone. And that Saturday, they had a Mardi Gras parade, so Mardi Gras was happening in Galveston. Some of the roads were closed. There was traffic, of course. We got there early enough, and we were able to park and walk over to the terminal and then check in. So everything was pretty smooth, but yeah, it seemed chaotic, but it really was pretty efficient. Have a safe trip. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, we're getting on.
Wow. And this ship really does have a wow factor. When you get on board, it's very bright. The colors, obviously, everything is brand new, and it's a completely different look from what we've seen on the Breeze and the Dream. And obviously, I mean, it's a brand new ship, but just the layout of it, the colors, the lighting, it was a very, very inviting ship.
They do have to do our
Boarding pass. Luckily, as soon as we boarded the ship, we went straight to our muster station, which was right there on deck 6, and then we went to the Lido marketplace, and we had some lunch. And there were several choices that were open at that time, but we decided to do the Lido buffet and try that out, and it was pretty good. The layout of the Lido on these Excel ships is also, it feels so much roomier and so much more bright than the previous ships. After we had lunch at the Lido marketplace, we walked around the ship a little bit. Andrea wanted to see if the Carnival shop was open to try to get some merchandise, but they were closed since we were still in port. And we did walk around the ship. Again, it's a beautiful ship. They have these fish here and these staircase by the pizza place and the sandwich place. And we'll be doing a full ship tour in a few days, but this just gives you a kind of a glimpse of what we saw on the first day as we boarded. All right, we are walking down the hallway.
Oh my gosh, the hallway is so long.
It's huge.
Yeah.
And the carpet still is like plushy.
Yeah, it's soft.
Very soft.
Good thing I'm gonna decorate our door because this would be hard.
Right here, this is us.
Woohoo!
We are in our cabin. We don't have any suitcases, but a lot of people don't, so maybe, hopefully they'll be on their way.
Should I just tear it?
Yeah.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Hold on, I can't get in.
It's a heavy door.
This is what we wanted, for this to be in the bed.
Yes.
We take this opportunity to remind you.
After we checked into our cabin and unpacked and put up our door decorations, we went up to the Lido deck for the sail away party.
Welcome on board the flagship of Carnival Cruise Line, the Carnival Jubilee! And here you know they always say everything is bigger in Texas. But after Super Bowl, we got Fat Tuesday, it's Mardi Gras! And then for all my sweet little lovebirds, who's in love on the Lido deck? Wow, the somber cries of joy. It's also Valentine's Day this week. Out there,
We hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for the rest of our Carnival Jubilee series, and we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Until next time, remember to enjoy your travels. It's your journey. It's your story.